Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have some more cases for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Pixel 9 Pro XL. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Crave dual guard case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I need to give a shout out to Crave for sending these cases out to me for review. You can pick up these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description if you want to pick it up from their website. In the past, I have used Crave design cases before for different phones, so when they reach out to me, I'll say, hey, why not? I need more cases for my Pixel XL. You can never have enough cases for your phone. Like we normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Do you get lip and camera protection? The overall fit of the case, the feel, does it add bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. They sent me out one in black. Also like the maroon color, it almost matches like my car. And then one in navy blue because, hey, if you know, you know. But let's go ahead and check this out. I'm gonna review the black one, but nice design from them on the packaging. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. See if I can get in the box. All right. So the packaging is good. Oh, the grip. I was just talking about this in other case videos, but the grip. I love the grip on here already. Doesn't seem like a bulky case. Hard plastic. Crave logo there. I love that little inside design. But let's see how this bad boy fits. Okay. So, I don't know if y'all seen that, but that was definitely in there snug. So, do you get lip protection? Yes, you do. Around the whole camera cutout there. You can see it there too. You get lip protection at the top and the bottom. Bam. Everything lines up at the bottom here. The microphone at the top. The power button is nice and tactile. Same thing with the vine rockers, or nice and easy to press. Again, the only thing I recommend, Crave, if you're watching this, put some type of texture on the power button so that way you just know you're pressing it. I just like that feel too. Doesn't add bulk to your phone. It's not like a heavy case. And you can check it out. Look, I mean, not bulky at all. And then the first thing I noticed when you put it in your hands, ladies, pause, just the grip that you get with this case. I love that grip on there. Very important, because if you are known to drop your phone, you want a little bit extra help there, and this case will give it to you. The overall fit, look how snug. Like, it's barely moving. A little bit on the sides here, but you're not. Like, it's going to take some work to get this case out, too. Like, so could it be actually a little bit looser? Maybe so, because you have to really do a number to get this out. So, I mean, it fits snug in there. So, if you're dropping your phone, this phone's not popping out the case when you drop it. So, gives you that protection. Now, the last question, can your wireless charge? Again, I don't think you will have a problem. And you can wireless charge without any issues there. Not MagSafe, which is okay. I don't need MagSafe on every case. I don't need MagSafe on any cases. So, but let's go over it. Checks a lot of boxes. Everything lines up at the bottom. The microphone at the top. You have good lip protection. You have some camera protection in the back. The buttons are really nice and easy and tactile. The overall fit is solid. Doesn't add bulk. You have a lot of grip. I love this design on this case. So there's a lot of things that it has going for it. So this is the black. Let's check out Let's check out the blue one real quick. I'm not going to review each one because it's going to fit the same, but I just want to check out the colors. So here's the navy blue. So that is the navy blue. I like that blue. All right, so here's like the maroon color. That's not a bad color either. So which color do you like? The maroon, the blue, or are you just like the plain black one? Y'all let me know. I like the navy blue one, but these two are probably my favorite. This one's all right. Y'all let me know which color you like the best. Again, if you want to pick up these cases, look in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.